Need to find and replace keywords across multiple folder names? Handling them one by one manually can be tedious and time-consuming. With Ninetu File Batcher, you can get the job done safely and efficiently in just a few clicks. We have about 100 folders to update. We need to change every folder name from 20 to 5 user file to 20 to 6 VIPs data. Let's take a look at the values that need to be replaced. Launch Ninetu File Batcher. In the left menu, click Folder Name, find and replace keywords in folder names. Import a folder. Select the folders you want to rename, then click Next. Enter 2025, user, and file in the Find field, then enter 2026, VIPs, and data in the Replace field. Click the Preview button to review the keyword replacement pairs. Once you've confirmed everything looks correct, click Next to continue. Choose an output folder, click Next, and start the process. The folders will begin processing immediately. Just wait for the operation to complete. Once processing is finished, review the results, including succeeded, skipped, failed, total time, and the processing log. You can also click Copy to Clipboard to copy the log for later review. Open a few sample folders to verify that the folder names have been updated correctly. Finally, compare the original and renamed folder names to confirm that all keyword replacements were applied accurately. On the home page, here are some tips for using the tools. The My Favorites area on the right lets you pin frequently used tools, while the left panel displays your top 5 mostest tools. Now we are trying to add some commonly used tools. Add your commonly used tools to My Favorites so you can find them quickly next time. Click the icon at the top right of the feature page to view the usage guide. If you run into any problems, open Support from the menu and click New Support Request. Enter a short subject and a detailed description of the issue, and attach screenshots if possible to help us diagnose the problem. You can also provide us with the processing log you just copied. When you've filled everything out, click Submit. We'll review your request promptly and work to resolve the issue so it won't affect your normal use. Stop wasting hours on repetitive file updates. With Ninetu File Batcher, you can batch edit hundreds of files in minutes while keeping your data completely private. No cloud uploads. No data exposure. Work faster, stay secure, and get started today.